Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to remove people from your video footage in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.
Alright, so we are in Davinci Resolve 17 right now. We are on the color page. You can do the same thing in the Fusion page, but for the time being, we're gonna do it in the color page. So basically, I got my shot right here of a guy surfing, but the problem is in the background, I have another guy that is just photobombing the shot. So what I would like to do is to have a clean shot of this guy surfing and remove this person in the background. So we're gonna do that by using the removable tool in Davinci Resolve 17. So to do so, I'm gonna just go over here and I'm gonna do a circle mask and I'm gonna mask the person that I want to remove. Let's scale the mask to the proper size and then we're gonna track that. So here we go, I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna go over to the tracking tool and I'm gonna be sure that I'm at the beginning of the clip and then I'm just gonna track it. So let's track it, perfect. Now I'm just gonna switch to frame and I'm gonna go one frame forward and I'm gonna move that out of my frame so it doesn't stay stuck like basically on the border. So it's now that the guy is out of the frame, we're just gonna remove completely the mask. That's pretty much it, but now let's check if the mask worked properly, if you track it properly. Yes, perfect, I'm happy with that. Once that is done, I'm just gonna go over to my OpenFX library and I'm gonna apply the removal object effect. So let's apply that to my node, and here as you can see nothing happened. You got a bunch of possibility. You can show the mask overlay and you can show the scene mask overlay. This analysis boundary, the blue area, is basically where the software gonna take the sample to replace this red area. So you can adjust that and just adjust the boundaries of where do you want the sample to be taken. Once that's done, you just gonna remove them and you're gonna go with scene analysis. And when it's done, now we should have our object that is removed or our person that is removed, and we should have like a clean clip of it. As you can see, there is a tiny bit of jitter that happened because we are in the wave. That's definitely not the easiest thing to remove because there is a lot of reflection and there is a lot of movement, but if you have a more flat surface, that's going to be way easier to remove. But as you can see, it still does a pretty good job, in my opinion, to remove that. It's not ideal. It's always best in, you know, flat surfaces. Let's say if I had like a dirt spot in the sky, that would have been perfect to isolate that and replace that. But right here in the wave, I think it's done a pretty good job considering the amount of time we spent into it. I hope that was useful. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.